Welcome to the Boardroom. If you are paying full price online, you are losing the game. Today, the SDI board built a Python engine that finds the cheapest deals on the internet before anyone else.
You can't sit at your computer clicking refresh on Amazon all day. By the time the price drops, the professional resellers have already bought the stock. You need a machine that watches the market for you.
I architected a Python script using Beautiful Soup and requests. Give it a list of 50 product URLs. It silently knocks on the servers every hour and pulls the live price data straight into your terminal.
Terminal text is useless for trends. I've built a dynamic Excel dashboard that ingests dev scraped prices. It creates a historical graph so you know exactly what the real lowest price is over 30 days. I add the automation layer. The script runs a logic check. If the live price drops 30% below the Excel average, the bot instantly sends a telegram or email alert directly to your phone. You buy before the public knows.
This is digital arbitrage. You buy the heavily discounted tech or fashion items using the bot's alert, and you resell them at market value. Let the code find the margins.
The system is built.
The manual grind is over. 1. Scrape the product URLs.
2. Track the price history in Excel. 3. Get the instant price alert.
And take the profit.
For more info and to get today's tools, read our docs and grab the Arbitrage Toolkit in the description below. If you liked this video, do like and subscribe for future updates. See this next video is best for you. YouTube suggested.